In my hand, I've got one of the most powerful bits of gear you'll ever fit to your modern four-wheel drive, the extremely clever engine data scan from 4Wheel Drive Supacentre. It plugs into your vehicle's OBD tube diagnostics port and directly interfaces with the onboard computers in a number of ways. It can display real-time data like engine temperature, alternator voltage, fuel economy and turbocharger boost levels, as well as storing data on your recent trips. But I reckon the most useful function is its ability to read and clear the dreaded check engine light. See, a check engine light can mean one of hundreds of things, and sometimes it can even mean nothing. Occasionally a random sensor somewhere in your vehicle can temporarily misread when you drive through mud, water or sand. Maybe nothing's wrong, but to find that out you generally have to spend at least $150 at a mechanic's to get them to read and clear the light. And that's if you're not stuck in limp mode and need to call a tow truck. With the engine data scan, you can instantly read and clear check engine light error codes wherever you are. This is one of the most incredible bits of gear that every modern 4-wheel drive owner should carry, and it's available right now from 4Wheel Drive Supacentre for an incredible price.